How do I apply for a transit visa?
Hello and welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to apply for a transit visa. Navigating the visa process can sometimes be complex, but don't worry, we're here to make it easier. In this video, we will walk you through the entire application process. Let's get started.
What is a transit visa?
A transit visa is a document that permits you to travel through a country for a short duration without actually entering the country's domestic territory. It is usually required when you have a layover in a country on your way to your final destination. The rules vary by country, and not all countries require a transit visa, so it's important to check the requirements before you start your journey.
Do I need a transit visa?
To determine whether you need a transit visa, you will need to check the regulations of the country you will be transiting through. Different countries have different rules and requirements based on your nationality and the length of your layover. Some countries do not require transit visas at all, while others might require them even for short layovers.
How to apply for a transit visa?
Now let's get to the application process. 1. Fill out the application form. The application form can usually be found on the embassy or consulate website of the country you're transiting through. Fill out the form completely and truthfully. 2. Prepare necessary documents. This often includes your valid passport, a completed visa application form, recent passport-sized photos, a detailed travel itinerary showing your transit, proof of your onward travel, and visa for your final destination if required. 3. Submit your application. Depending on the country's requirements, you may be able to submit your application online, by mail, or in person at the embassy or consulate. 4. Pay the visa fee. There is typically a non-refundable fee associated with the application. 5. Wait for your visa to be processed. The processing time can vary greatly, so apply as early as possible.
What if my transit visa application is denied?
If your transit visa application is denied, don't panic. The consulate or embassy will provide a reason for the refusal. You may be able to address the issue and apply again. However, remember to factor in the additional time this might take. And that's it. We hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through the process of applying for a transit visa. Remember, each country has its own specific requirements, so ensure to do your research before starting the process. Safe travels!